Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Choma Maike of Lomash Confectionery. Today I will be teaching us how to make yummy soft chinchin, and here are my ingredients: egg, milk, sugar, nutmeg, water, optional, margarine, and flour. I'll be adding the milk to sugar to help it dissolve really fast. Then I will be adding the margarine to the flour. We'll mix both together until they form fine crumbs. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button. Once we are done, we'll add our nutmeg. Then our egg. You can also skip the egg if you don't want a rich chinchin, especially for commercial purpose. You can skip the egg and use water. I'll be adding the milk. Make sure to mix thoroughly. The sugar have dissolved by now. Mix all together until they are all combined. Now time to roll. Dust your surface with flour. If you don't dust it, it will get sticky. Dust, roll. You can use your rolling pin. If you don't have rolling pin, whatever works for you. Then start cutting with your pizza cutter to your desired shape. Next thing is to fry. Just run your oil with one chinchin, then you can start frying the rest. Once it's golden brown like this, you can bring out, but I love my chinchin really brown, golden brown. Once it's ready, enjoy with your desired drink. I love Pepsi. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.